Hi everybody, Terry here. Well, the Glycine has arrived, so let's unbox it. I got this in a raffle. I bought 2 tickets for $20 each, and I won this watch. Probably about $500–600 worth of watch. Here's the note that came with the watch. Very nice, very nice. So let's take a look here. It's my first Glycine. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's too funny. I may have to put the camera down here for a second, so hold on. Oh wow. Oh wow. So there it is. Glycine Combat Automatic. 20 atmospheres. Look how beautiful this thing is. Oh my. Oh my. Gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So there it is. There's my new Glycine, guys and gals. I am impressed. Wow, wow, wow. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.